producers in the food and beverage industry are facing rapid changes in requirements, like the request for more variants of a certain product to remain attractive. In addition, the wish for more energy efficient and sustainably produced food goods grows. The public conscience to replace dairy, meat or fish products with plant-based alternatives in order to reduce CO2 emissions is a case that I personally support whenever possible. The KROHNE Industry Division for Food and Beverage provides proven added values in these challenges when resolving demanding measurement applications for all these sub-industries within food and beverage. Taking the best advantage of our unique product features like EGM, Entrained Gas Management, are, for example, the dairy industry. In critical measurements like raw milk intake, where air entrainment can be present in the beginning, as well as in the end, that can be done carefree because of EGM, or the precise measurement of mass flow and density of cream behind the separator. Other productions that benefit are chocolate products, beer, soft drinks, all the way to pet food. Highlight products are the flow and level measurement instruments. KROHNE brings the de facto standard for flow measurements in filling applications for bottles, cans or cups, whether it's volumetric or mass flow based. In a production for foods, KROHNE unlocks the ability to mass balance the production from raw material intake to the finished product, based upon a complete processing of the measured values by mass or weight. This leads to optimization towards tighter production tolerances as well as the energy efficiency of production sites. KROHNE produces magnetic inductive flow meters globally in various production sites. These are for virtually all applications with conductive liquids, like dosing of eggnog onto ice cream or the measurement of raw milk intake. By our complementary product portfolio for pressure, temperature, as well as an analysis instrumentation, KROHNE offers the complete supply for your measurement instrumentation. An example in the analysis measurement illustrates by using a self-compensating and adjusting measurement for total suspended solids, we eliminate the interrupt for recalibration and the downtime caused by this maintenance. Next to special measurement instrumentation, we provide customized panels for analytical measurements that combine all the measurement parameters, for example, for chlorine analysis in the soft drinks industry. With combinations of KROHNE instrumentation, we enable measurements of viscosity for non-Newtonian liquids inline in your production process, for example, for concentrated milk before the spray dryer. These values enable an efficient heat control and prevent excess and unused heat of energy to be wasted.